Hey everybody, Fred here with RedlineMuscleCars.com. This just in, it's our 57 Chevy Bel Air Power Pack convertible. It is factory onyx black, factory red and silver interior. It is the original 283 Power Pack. It just sits there and purrs. It was restored a few years ago. We're told in the 90s. So somewhere in 30 years ago. The paint job's presentable for 30 years old, but definitely has a couple of spots. There's no rust. There's a golf size spot here in the door. And then there's a spot on the right front fender I'll show you. Car starts, runs, drives, excellent. It is an award winner. There's the ribbon. The top is manual. It was restored then. This car has 2,222 miles since it was restored. So it spent most of the time in the garage. She looks great. The tires are not cracked, but they're old. Bumpers are in excellent shape. Paint is presentable, driver. The car is laser straight. Interior is above average. All the chrome and stainless is magnifico. This is an awesome car. This is an awesome place to take pictures of an awesome car. Look down the door and see how straight it is. Here's the spot in the fender. It looks like some lacquer checking to me. You can see it. Tires are nice, not cracked, but I am sure they have flat spots. They are bias ply tires. This is an awesome car. Give Fred a call at 580-221-4326. Thanks, y'all. Have a blessed and awesome day.